So as we come down the spine, we could feel the spine, see what it feels like. See if there's any area along here that might feel a little bit out of alignment. Interesting enough, lots of people want to ask me what an adjustment is about. And I don't necessarily describe it as a way of putting the spine back in alignment because if we were to take an x-ray of the particular segment before we would do some mobilization or manipulation, and then afterwards, taking a picture afterwards, we wouldn't really see any difference, but functionally we will feel a difference. You're going to feel more energetic, you're going to feel the area more alive, it's going to be more balanced. So in reference to what we do, chiropractic lots of times focuses on joints in the spine. So our job is to see what we could do to bring balance to the joint structures by applying therapeutic motion. And that therapeutic motion is going to be determined by what patient we have on the table. If it's somebody that's more fragile, somebody that's older, or somebody that's in a lot of pain, we're going to do very gentle stuff. Eric on the table, he's a big, strong guy. So the treatment that you're going to see me do for Eric is going to be a little stronger. It's not necessarily the treatment I'm going to do for everybody. So please keep that in mind.